In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view rewards activity on Hotels.com. If you're collecting OneKey rewards, this is the page that shows your OneKey cash balance, your past earnings, and your progress toward the next tier, all in one place. First, make sure you're signed in to Hotels.com with the same email you used when you made your bookings. Rewards activity won't appear if you're browsing while signed out, and it also won't show up if you're using a different account from the one that earned the rewards. If you manage more than one email, take a moment to confirm you're in the right profile. On the website, head to Hotels.com and sign in. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon or your name. In that menu, find the link that takes you to your rewards hub. The wording may vary by region, so it might say View Rewards Activity, Rewards and Activity, OneKey Rewards, or OneKey Cash. Click that, and you'll arrive at the page where Hotels.com tracks everything tied to your membership, including OneKey Cash and any trip elements from eligible stays. Here's what you'll typically see. At the top, there's your OneKey Cash balance. That number is the total you currently have available to use toward eligible bookings. Below that is your earning history. This timeline lists rewards added from past stays and bookings, along with booking references and dates, so you can match credits to specific trips. If you notice entries marked as pending, that simply means the stay hasn't fully cleared yet. Rewards usually become available after you complete the trip. You'll also see your progress toward the next tier. This section shows how close you are based on your eligible activity and highlights any additional benefits you can unlock as you move up. Finally, keep an eye on any notes about expiration or activity deadlines. OneKey rewards may require periodic activity to keep your balance active, and the page will outline timing so you know when to earn or redeem. If your rewards page looks empty, double-check that you're signed in to the correct account, refresh the page, and try the desktop site if you're on a small screen. And remember, to earn going forward, always book while signed in. That's it. Now you know exactly where to find and read your OneKey rewards activity on Hotels.com. Happy travels, and I'll see you in the next one.